Good morning. Nice little crescent moon there and a couple of long distance views. Of course, anything over 200,000 miles is probably long distance. Anyway, it was a great morning again, a little bit of a breeze on the chilly side, 61 degrees. Practically had to wear snow boots. Ducks were shivering. Anyway, hope all is well with you. Had the lake to myself most of the morning. When the sun did come up, there was not a cloud in the sky in any direction, so it was pretty bright. And after it popped over the horizon, it was too bright for direct pictures, really. But the fountain was a star again, and hiding behind trees, always glorious. Anyway, I hope you have a great Saturday and a great weekend. Hope to see you tomorrow, and enjoy the ducks.